Let's go ahead and do a review of Baseline, which lets you automatically generate a brand guide and design cohesive brand assets. It's alternative to Canva and would be best fit for content creators, marketers, and solopreneurs looking for an easier way to create cohesive brand assets on the fly. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Baseline and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $139, and for $139 you'll get 5 brands, 5 brand guides, unlimited designs per month, unlimited downloads. If you go for license tier 2, unlimited brands, unlimited brand guides, unlimited designs per month, unlimited downloads. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. Baseline is a brand design and management platform that helps you generate brand guides and design assets that are always on brand. With Baseline, you can generate a cohesive brand guide to help your team create assets that always fit the brand. All you need is a logo to get started. And you can use the logo maker to create a new logo in a few clicks. Pull colors from your logo to establish a brand palette with shades and gradients, and you'll also be able to customize the font and type scale. It's easy to copy and paste color and typography values, along with CSS variables, and use them across the board for any brand. Baseline automatically applies your brand guidelines across dozens of digital templates, so you can pump out branded content faster. You can find templates for social media posts, like Instagram stories, Facebook banners, Twitter banners, YouTube thumbnails, and LinkedIn posts. Plus, this tool allows you to create custom templates and save them for future projects. Explore the user-friendly design editor that's packed with cool features to help you make template designs your own. Just upload your own images and vectors, or use the built-in photo library. You can even remove backgrounds from any image in one click. It's a cinch to update colors, apply branded color filters, and add text effects that make your content pop. Managing multiple brands? You can access assets for each one from Baseline's organized dashboard. Agencies can create unique brand portfolios for each client. And it's a breeze for in-house teams to design materials for their different products. Plus, you can reapply designs you created for one brand across others on the platform. Without a brand guide, someone on your team is bound to design something that misses the mark. Baseline helps you quickly design assets that are always on brand with an auto-generated brand guide and customizable templates. Create branded content faster than ever. Get lifetime access to Baseline today.